Hello, in this strategy and focus, we're going to dive into fourth grade multiplication, working with multi-digits. The focus is going to be representing strategies and explaining how the part of the context is mapped on to the representation with a picture. So let's think about this task. There are 25 bags of rope in the garage. If each bag contains 16 yards of rope, how much rope is in the garage? First of all, we want to have kids think about what the equation is that matches the task. As you guys know, it's 25 times 16. Here's one strategy if we think about writing out all of the multiples of 25 in a multiple tower. As you can see, I have a clean break at 25 times 10 to organize my multiples, and then I know that the 16th multiple, which is 400, is my answer. One thing to think about with kids when they do this is having them realize, well, where the 25 is the number I count by, and also where the 16 is. 16 is the number of multiples. This representation shows a different take on multiple towers. I'm starting at a friendly multiple, 25 times 10, and from there I'm just listing the multiples after that to get to 25 times 16. Once again, I'm counting by 25, and the 16 is represented by the number of multiples that I have. The next few deal with open arrays and the idea of breaking numbers apart, or breaking the two factors apart. So on this one, as you see, both the 25 and the 16 are split up by tens and ones, and the representation shows how those two factors are split and how the partial products are brought back together in the lower right corner of the screen. What you see here is the way that the breaking of all factors apart by tens and ones can get shown using the distributive property, and also with the parentheses to help organize the factors when we're using this kind of approach. The last strategy is the idea of breaking just one number apart. So if a student wanted to count by 25s but wanted to break the 16 up into 10 and 6, what you see here is you see the 25 times 10, and you also see 25 times 6, and those two partial products brought back together. Just for your convenience, here is the standard in addition to the strategies. I would point you to also the NC DPI unpacking document, which has more examples and more pictures representations of strategies for multi-digit multiplication. Thank you.